This video is brought to you by Fila.com. If you want to get cheap and affordable high quality tech to boost your productivity, check out Fila.com. They have a set of awesome tech products to boost your productivity, starting from basic tech products like high quality keyboard and mouse, further until awesome drones for filming. Also for this Christmas sale, they have 50% off on all products and free shipping for US, UK and Canada. Check them out using the link in the description and use the code RAJ5 to get further 5% off on all products. Hey guys, my name is Sanjay Raj and welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are going to be focusing on the best 3 courses for a developer. Now these are not the best. Now when I say best, you should not be going to the links in the description and buying all of them. These are some of the courses that you could consider when you're learning these technologies. Okay, also the links to all these 3 courses will be in the description down below. So these affiliate links, it would help me a little bit with that'd be a cut in what you buy, so there would be no addition in the amount of money you are spending on the course. So that's a little bit of a plug, but that's totally fine. And let's get into this video. So why I focused on 3, because I could go on 4 or 5, but I just wanted to focus on a little bit. I wanted this video to be a little bit focused. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to be going for the complete web developer in 2021, zero to mastery. Now you guys might not even know the person that I'm talking about who made this course. You guys might have wondered I would have recommended a Traversy Media course or Coding Phase. That is absolutely good, but what I wanted to do is, like, this is an updated tutorial, right? So people who are learning right now, they want to make sure that they are updated with all the stuff that are in use right now. So Traversy Media's tutorial is about 1 year old, and Coding Phase is also, I'm not sure how much years it's old. Obviously you could go to YouTube and learn updated short videos, but if you're looking to learn quite fast HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all this kind of stuff, you want to make sure that you're in one place and you could learn all of them right there. So this is an awesome course by a person called Andrei Neagoe. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but you could actually see the person who has actually made the course right here. He's quite famous on Udemy, and the reason why I'm recommending this course, it's for 2021 and it's a decent course. It's been updated a lot, and also as you guys can see, it's around 147,000 students and 43,000 ratings. So you could obviously see that's a pretty good course, and last updated 12/2020, so this month. So this is a pretty good course. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below, as you guys know. And it's $11.99. Now obviously most proportion of the people who are watching are from India. Obviously when you're buying a course, you have to spend this much of money if you're willing to purchase it. So why not spend it on a good course? So this is a good course that you guys could go to. Now this is kind of a full stack course. As you guys can see, they teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js and machine learning and more. So for the more part, you want to go into the video and get more stuff. I'm not going to be showing you guys the video now. Obviously the link will be there in the description, so you could go check that out. So why I chose a 2021 project video is because of the projects. Now obviously you guys know a person called Carl Steele from Udemy. He has a lot of students on Udemy. Now the main reason I'm not recommending that is because already the people have built those projects, and that's kind of there's no people do not think that's unique. So you want to make sure that you're going with all these updated tutorials. They've got a lot of good projects. So as you guys can see, build 10 plus real world web development projects that you could show off. Obviously this is a new one, so you can make sure that you are on the new track, I guess. So that's pretty good. Also they've been using Express, SQL and Postgres. So full stack applications, not only SQL databases, also NoSQL databases. So this is pretty good. They've got over 35.5 hours of on-demand video. That's pretty good. And also certificate of completion, that's pretty good as well. And I guess this is a pretty good course for people who want to learn full stack development. This is pretty good. So I recommend you guys check this out if you're willing and wanting to learn full stack development. Okay, let's go to the second one. Now this is also a full stack development course, but I wanted this to be mainly focused on the MERN stack. Now the MERN stack is actually very highly paid. It's around, I guess, 100,000 or 70 or 80, I'm not sure, but it's really highly paid. So obviously you could learn React and Node.js, Express and MongoDB, but collectively all those four technologies, when you collectively use them, and it's going to be the MERN stack. You could build full stack applications with the MERN stack. Now obviously there are a lot of courses that you could go to. Obviously on YouTube there are no much good full stack MERN stack courses. Okay, full stack obviously there may be. I'm not sure. When I was learning, I'm currently learning as well a little bit of MERN stack. I mean, I could say mid-level. So I did not find any good tutorials on YouTube, so I wanted to go to Udemy and find good tutorials. So these are some of the good ones that I found. I could find some free videos. Obviously you guys know YouTube. From YouTube you guys can learn anything, but people who are willing to put in the you want to learn pretty fast, maybe a career change or something like that, you want to make sure that you are purchasing a good course and you could learn from that as well. So this is from a person called Academind. Obviously he's on YouTube. So Maximilian and his surname. Okay, so he's the person who made this course. It's a very good course. 19,000 students, MERN stack course, Node.js, Express, MongoDB and React. They're going to be building a lot of projects as well, updated projects, so you could go check them out. Also there's a free video about of this course on YouTube as well. So if you could go there and see whether that's for you, and you could purchase this course that way. And 18 hours. Now it's just the MERN stack, right? You're not going to be learning the entire web development. It's not full stack, it's just the MERN stack. You're not going to be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript from the basics, right? So that's the reason the course has 18.5 hours of on-demand video. Okay, there's not much I could say. It's a pretty good course. It's a pretty good offer as well right now. I'm not sure what the sale is, but it's at $11.99. Obviously Udemy does this every time, so we're not sure if this is actually true. So you could go check that out. Also the price might go to $129.99. You want to make sure that you get the best offer, right? So this is the MERN stack course. The last one is for AWS. Now this is not even related to what my channel or what I talk in this channel, but AWS is a really good field that you could get into right now. My brother is actually learning AWS, so it's pretty good industry that you could get into. Obviously serverless industry is it's obviously improving, cloud architecture, all this kind of stuff. It's pretty good. So AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate 2020. Now this is not the only course. Okay, AWS has a lot of steps to it. It has, a cloud practitioner and a solutions architect. First you want to go to the cloud practitioner, then the solution architect. So why I took this course is just to show that you should get you might want to get all the courses from this particular instructor. Okay, let me go to his Udemy profile. This particular instructor here, he has got all the AWS courses that you might probably want. He has done all the I guess he has done all the AWS certifications. He's got a lot of certificates as well. So as you guys can see, 37 courses on just AWS. So you could just imagine how much skilled this person is, this instructor is. So he's a very, very skilled person. So AWS, yep, that's pretty much it. AWS, Amazon Web Services. It's from Amazon. So it's basically to host websites, and you could make serverless programs run on the cloud, all those good stuff. Uploading websites on AWS. There's a lot of good things that you could do. So learning AWS in 2020 is a really, really good industry that you can get into. Now I don't want you guys to purchase this course right after what I've said. I'm not much sure. I'm not much skilled in AWS. I do not know much about it, but I'm definitely sure it's a really good industry to get into if you want to make a lot of money and want to increase your skills. Get into Amazon. A lot of big tech companies are using AWS. So if you want to make sure that you want to get into that, you can learn AWS. Now, I also recommend watching a little bit of tutorials on YouTube just to get an understanding of what AWS cloud is. There's also different stuff like cloud services like Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and also different stuff. But these three are the main cloud services that are being used by a lot of companies, top tech companies. Okay, so these three are the basic courses, guys. These three are the best courses that I would personally recommend to anyone getting started with web development, MERN stack development, or AWS. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed all these three courses that I recommended to you guys. So make sure that you check out this check out these courses which will be linked in the description. Obviously these are affiliate links, so it would not be an extra charge for you guys. It would just help me for recommending these courses for you guys. Also make sure to check out Fila.com, the sponsor of this video, to get the ultimate work from home tech, the affordable and ultimate work from home tech in order to increase your productivity in 2020 and the coming year 2021. Also they're conducting an awesome sale, the Christmas sale, which has free shipping and up to 50% off on all products. So you want to make sure that you get the products that you obviously need, and also use the code RAJ5 in order to get 5% off additionally on all the products. So obviously it's 55% off. You don't want to miss that, guys. So you could check it out. Drones, microphones, all this kind of stuff. You want to make sure that you get hands on the stuff that you need this Christmas. And also if you're gifting to anyone, this would be a great gift. That's about for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. Also that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.